Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about some healthy tech. So in this package, I got something to deal with something healthy, but it's still a tech device at the same time. So the story is, as we get older, things in our bodies change. We might gain some weight, our blood pressure might get out of whack, our blood sugar might get out of whack. So I got this device because, every time I go to the doctor, it seems like my blood pressure is a little bit elevated. And I don't know if it's the nervousness of me being at the doctor, or is it actually something health related that I am doing to my body. So I got this device right here in this package to start doing some monitoring. And the cool thing about this device also is that it comes with an app. So now I can keep track of things by looking at the app and seeing progress, either going up or going down or staying normal. Because it's all good to have a new phone or a new TV and a new this, but if your health is deteriorating and you're not paying attention to it, then updating your Facebook status and all that stuff is not going to do you any good if your body is not being updated, if you know what I mean. Now, keeping up with your social media statuses is fine and dandy, but you also need to keep up with the status of your body, if you know what I mean. And this is one of the products that's going to help me start doing that. So let's open this package and see what is actually in this thing that I'm talking about. So before I show you the product, it's actually something that I saw online and I was curious about it because, like I said, I was doing some research and I said, well, I wonder if there's a smart blood pressure device out there. So this is what I found, and I might butcher the name a little bit because it's a funny looking word, and it says Qardio. So it sounds like cardio, but with a Q instead. So in the app, I'm supposed to sit there and monitor each day that I take my blood pressure to see where it's going up or down. And hopefully the app will give me some type of pointers or something like that. But I got to watch my blood pressure. If I want to keep on making these videos, want to be around so I can see the latest and greatest techs that come out so I can tell you about it. Okay, so let's open this package and see what's on the inside. Okay, so now that I got the sleeve cover off it, this is what the box looks like, and it has this little tab on the side that you pull open. It's magnetically closed because I can hear it doing that snapping sound, if you know what I mean. Inside of the box is just the device to check your blood pressure and some manuals on the side. And the app is working on the iPhone and also the Android phone, so you don't have to worry about it being a one-sided device. So I'm gonna take that out. So this is the simple device in this box, and you see it's nice and compact. You can take it with you if you need to go on vacation or go out of town for business or anything like that. It's something that you can easily carry in a briefcase, book bag, purse, or even probably in your pocket. And that's what I like about it, because now I can take it with me even when I go to work and do my blood pressure check if I need to. So this device is powered by 4 AAA batteries. That's why this little white tab is here, because all you have to do is just pull this out and then the device will start getting powered and start working. It also comes with this welcome package. It's like a quick start guide, and then it comes with a main manual for more detailed instructions of different things of how the device works. So this device actually comes in 4 colors. It has the Arctic white, the lightning red like I have, midnight blue, and gold. And it comes with a 3-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee, plus free shipping. Now, from the manufacturer website that I ordered it was actually $99, but I didn't pay that much. I actually paid $79 because I had a 10% discount, and then because I was military, they gave me another additional 10%. Now I have a coupon code that you can use if you decide to get one of these. It'll be in the description. Just click on it and it's going to give you 15% off. So I'm not going to show you the app in this video. I'm going to show it in the next video because I want to put it to a little test, and then show you the status of how the app is actually working, so you can get a better feel for it than me just introducing the app to you with just a blank slate. Oh, and one more thing about this thing right here. It is actually FDA approved, and it has features where it can send the information to your doctor based on the result. You can send the information to your friends and your family if you want to also do that too. And it's supposed to give it a result of when your blood pressure is optimal, normal, high or hypertension, all that stuff. So there will be another follow-up video. You know, I'm gonna put this thing to a test for at least 7 days and come back with some numbers so you can see the result, whether my blood pressure is going up, whether I got high blood pressure, normal blood pressure, or I need to work on it. But you'll see those results in the follow-up video. Okay, so if you're looking for a blood pressure device and you want to get it now, you don't want to wait for my result, click the link in the description. You're going to get 15% off. So you don't have to pay that 99 bucks. 15% is a lot of money you can save on. And here's my quick tip. They have a lot of shipping options available to you. It looks like it says it's going to take 4 or 5 days and all these high numbers, but trust me, just go for the free shipping and you should get it. Should get it in 2, maybe 3 days. So I actually purchased mine from the Qardio website, and then it must have been fulfilled by Amazon, and that's how it arrived at my doorstep. So go for the free shipping. All right. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, this is just an introductory video, an unboxing kind of video. Stay tuned for the follow-up video. I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a good one.